In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. Start by going into Settings and clicking on Display and Brightness right away. Now all you need to do is use this switcher next to Automatic, available under Brightness slider, to either switch it on or turn it off. Quick tip, if you wanna do it much faster, most people miss that you can go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen, like that, and tapping on your brightness slider to enable or disable adaptive brightness within seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!